In this video, I'll show you how to support your favorite creators on Patreon without using a credit card or PayPal. Patreon makes it easy to pay with credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay. But what if you don't have those? One option is using a Patreon gift card. You can buy these from third-party sites like Raise or Amazon, often at a discount. Just redeem the code in your Patreon account and apply it to your membership. Another way is through Apple Pay or Google Pay, which let you add a debit card or use carrier billing without directly linking a credit card or PayPal. If you're in the US, you can also use services like Cash App or Venmo to send money to a friend who can then pay on your behalf. Though this isn't a direct payment method on Patreon itself, keep in mind, Patreon doesn't currently accept direct bank transfers or prepaid cards from all providers. So yes, while limited, there are still ways to support creators without a credit card or PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more creative finance tips.